But let's get a bit of a better sense of where we finish off the week. Rotimi Fakaijo is trader and chief executive officer at Enterprise Stockbrokers. Is joining us via this telephone conversation. Rotimi, good morning to you.
Good morning, both.
Yes, thank you. We appreciate your time. Last week, it looks like things went south for the market after 2 weeks of really, really hot sentiment. Was there anything to do with the numbers? Perhaps folks were not really happy with 7-Up, with Owando, with Honeywell flour?
Those figures are not encouraging, especially Owando, which has always been not an exciting or most sought after. That is not one of the least sought after securities in the market, in the sense that in terms of the future for the company, at least they have a long way to go because of their high negative retained earnings. But for 7-Up, I think they were still able to at least put a little smile on the face of investors, but that's notwithstanding because of the numbers. Likewise, Honeywell flowers. But I think what really happened towards the end of the week, also which marked the end of the quarter, was the anxiety and apprehension by investors not knowing what could obtain next in the coming quarter with respect to the numbers that be churned out by the various quoted companies. So everybody was trying to play safe. The level of purchase mandates came down, and a lot of people actually wanted to sell. So that the peers had their way, and at the end of the day, we closed the week in a negative position.
In one single minute or less than that, Rotimi, would you be able to give us a sense of where you think the market will be starting the new month, July, again, considering that we have another 2 days holiday shaved off this week?
I think on the very first day of the month, which was last week Friday, we saw the market coming down, and that spread around to virtually all the sectoral indices. And today, the market has started very, very slow in terms of volume, in terms of value, and also the kind of change that we are seeing. Presently, the market is doing 0.08% positive. Well, that's a good way to start, but when you look at the value that has been traded today, which is still less than about 120 billion, then definitely you see that you will be able to deduce that the market is not really healthy this morning. But for me, I think with the way it is, it depends on whether the big boys in the likes of the consumer goods and some banking sector stocks will be able to at least pull up some weight. Like we've been seeing in Zenith having gained about 10 cover. So if that continues, then definitely the market may be able to continue the positive trend that it is right now. But otherwise, if we see a major drop in Nigerian bills once again, then definitely the market will go south once more.
All right. Thank you very much, Rotimi Fakaijo, for your thoughts this morning.